party now, work.
Hola amigos, ¿cómo están? Amigos, a ver, okay guys, so today we are gonna react HONK by NONA. Fuck it up, dude, put in that work. Let's play this. Let's go with this. Wow, okay, let's do it. Yeah, oh, come on.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, post it. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go. Get on the HONK.
This part.
My way, but with that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. NONA on the license plate. Kaka jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own, I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. Get on the HONK.
I knew it. Yo sabía que esta canción iba a ser muy buena. Yo lo sabía. Este tipo de canciones es mi debilidad. This type of song are my debility in all the aspects. It's vocals, dance, instrumental, strong vibe. Again. Let's do again.
Look at me, look at her. Pics in the rearview mirror. Put him up, post it. Buckle up out of here. You'll be in the backseat, hit the gas, we turn it up. Yeah. Get in the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
El precoro es espectacular. Este precoro es buenísimo.
Never pass me, ready, set, go. Get on the HONK. Get on the HONK.
Esta parte, ese giro de rodillas, this dance. Wow, eso está muy so clean, muy limpio, amigos. What? Parece como si estuviera desafiando la gravedad cuando se levanta, amigo. Muy limpio, muy limpio.
Wheels on the bus go round and round. Got the junk in
She's pretty, but she's beautiful.
the trunk and we make it bounce.
Well, all the members, but I think she's more for me.
Tropical days with my itty bitty waist, but my heart in your face, and I always got my way. Bumping that bass and I make a speaker break. Gotta
She's baila. I know her.
take it to your place, but I won't drive straight. NONA on your license plate. Kaka, I get jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I
At this part, this sounds so good.
jump to like me. If you're wondering, baby, how I got it on my own. I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. I've been working all day, all night, all day, all night, all day long. Get on the uncut. Get on the uncut. Get on the uncut. Get on the
Okay, esto es espectacular. This is fabulous. This is beautiful. Let me download this song right now. Iceland, girl. Hey, an album. 50 songs. Oh, September 18. Wow. No sé, solo quería hacer el video. Voy a hacer más video reacciones como siempre, porque no sé, me gusta. Aquí relax, o sea, y aparte siento que es como una actividad muy liberadora para mí porque me gusta grabar, me gusta editar, entonces es un pasatiempo casual. Cuando salga un comeback, ¿saben por cuál comeback estoy emocionado? Por Jenny. Así que a lo mejor la próxima puede ser Jenny o el grupo de Tweet, creo que se llama. Tal vez, no sé, amigos, nos vemos. Los quiero. Bye. Get out the HONK.